Hello everybody, it's Inex here. In today's video I will show you how to create a light text effect in Photoshop. At the start we have our background and our text. Our first step is to make a copy of our text with the Ctrl-J shortcut. We select the bottom text, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. We convert it to Smart Object and we set the blur to 160 in my situation. We hide the blurred text and we change the top text to something close to white. After that, we double click on it and we check outer glow and set the size to 15. And we make a copy of it. And basically we are done. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.